Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Cassill, and here's your updated roller coaster work for this week. I really appreciated our chance to talk about hybrid learning and to answer your questions, so I don't feel bad at all. We need to shift our plans a little bit. Here's what it looks like now. This week, as you look through your module, you'll see our links for our meets. Now there are just two things. There is the roller coaster Nearpod assignment. This is something you will now complete. This is part of what we would have done in class and extended into homework if necessary. It is now set up where it will work for you. And then on Wednesday, there's a little mini simulation playing around with some of the features of roller coasters to learn how to make them both safe and fun, because everybody wants to maximize the fun part of a roller coaster, but nobody wants to get launched off that roller coaster into the, river next to the park. So this is a mini little lab that you'll do, just a little teeny simulation that you'll answer a question about afterwards. And then this is the bulk of the notes and the readings from our class today. So two things this week. So let me go over this just to sort of give you a little look at it. So when you get started, it's a Nearpod, just like we've been doing in class. Please email me if this doesn't work for you. It should work. So especially because we're not running it live, you're getting to access it whenever you want. But please reach out to me and let me know what kind of technical difficulties you might have. I'm going to move my face just up here a little bit. So while you're looking at the Nearpod here, you'll put your name in, you'll be able to do all of the things. For those of you who were in class with us, you'll see the same slides that we started with. There's the same do now questions. There's the same, wait, oh yeah, I'm going to submit anyway. Bob Shiniko might get a 0 on that little quick. Oh no. Oh gosh. So for those of you who needed more time with the notes because we went really fast, here are the slides with those exact notes that we went through. You'll be able to look at those. There's the example that's here. There's the questions that are the process for how to find velocity that we went through. And then there's a little quiz that asks you to do this on your own, right? I'm going to record a separate video for how I worked through this problem. That way you can try your best first using the notes that are here. And then if you need help, you can watch the video solution afterwards. The final part of this that we didn't get to in class was a reading assignment. And these are all short one-page readings. They're divided up by alphabet, so you do not have to read all four of them. If you can, if you want to, I suppose, if you are looking for some reading material. But you're going to pick the one that your last name fits in. So Casilster, K, J, K. All right, that's right here. So I'm going to be reading the second reading. When I click on that, it takes me to a new tab with the reading in it so that I can go through. And at first you might go, wait. Remember, you need to pause and actually read it, okay? A roller coaster is a balance between safety and sensation. Ooh, nice opening line. So once you finish looking through your reading, you'll see here it says take notes on your assigned reading. I'm talking very general notes. Maybe write down one fact per paragraph, because what you're going to do with that information is share some of your thoughts. It says the teacher hasn't enabled it. I'll enable that. On these following boards, see, I'm still learning too. In fact, here, let's pause this recording and I'll enable it. I'll be back in 3, 2, 1, blammo! All right, so after that, you'll see that there are these slides that ask you to just share a post. What you do is you just share your thoughts. If there's a picture, a screenshot that's important, you can, but there's 3 questions. How does a roller coaster get its energy? Use ideas and information from your reading. This should take you just like 1 minute of thinking, typing. If you need to, click back over to your article and go, wait, I don't know, and look for something that's going to help you answer that question. The second question, what physics makes a roller coaster fun to ride? I know that some of you go, cool, no, those really exciting drops, feeling lots of G's, having a loop-de-loop. That's not physics, those are the features. What's happening? What's the physics of what's going on there that makes that fun and exciting? So, again, if you're like, I don't know, look back in your assigned reading and see what there is that's available to help you answer this question. And then if you want to make a fun roller coaster, what can you do? Use ideas and information from your reading and share a thought. All right, I believe with that, that is the end of how this assignment will work for you to finish up this week. All right, so those are the things that you will do. The next assignment, this roller coaster exploration, is a super fun and easy little simulation, okay? There's a lot of good reading and information in here, and it's not all about physics. It's about the bigger picture of what makes a roller coaster fun. So I would recommend you read all the directions. I'm walking you through this part because the buttons are a little hidden. You kind of have to be doing the reading. So how does a roller coaster work? It's a good review of physics. And then right here it says design a roller coaster. This takes you to the little simulation. Try your hand at designing your own roller coaster. Decide the following: the height of the first hill, the shape of the first hill, the exit path, height of the second hill, and the loop. So you get 5 different parts of a roller coaster put together, which is more than you'll do for our digital lab next week, really. But here's what you get to do. So you go through all these different steps, these 5 parts, and at the end, so here, I'm just going to click some random ones. I'm going to go like this. You should read and actually think about what it is. Okay, so I'm going to go. All right, at the end, shoot, my roller coaster is neither safe nor fun. So you'll have a rating like this. Your job is to turn in a screenshot once you have a successful roller coaster. So I want to see the picture of what your roller coaster looks like. And I'm not entirely sure. Oh, there we go. You have to have the right screen resolution apparently for it to put it all together in a row. I don't know why that'd be the case, but whatever. So it doesn't matter if your screen zooms like mine does, because I'm an old lady and I can't read stuff. I always have my screen zoomed. It can have your. I can figure out where the loop goes that it goes in the end. So you'll take a screenshot of your roller coaster and your hopefully fun and safe rating. I want to get a double thumbs up. That's the one I want you to turn in. But right here you'll say find out about each step in your roller coaster design in your safety inspection. So this takes you to an article and it gives you an idea. It explains some of the physics that's involved. It tells you what the reality is of something like this is just going to cause somebody to crash at the bottom of the hill. Okay. And then dangerous exit path. So top second hill, blah, blah, blah. So anyway, so this will give you some ideas about what made your roller coaster safe or fun. I think if your roller coaster is not safe, it like can't be fun, which makes a lot of sense. So anyway, when you get your successful roller coaster, oh, and then on the bottom, it's like off my screen right here. It says back to your coaster. Then you can come back here if you need to take your screenshot. And then in your Canvas assignment, you'll answer 2 questions. One that's your screenshot you'll turn in right here of a safe and fun roller coaster. And then 2 down here, you'll share 3 things you learned about roller coaster design. All right, guys, this is super fun. I can't wait to do a little more creative work with you next week. For those of you roller coaster junkies, please send me your favorites, and I'll see you guys all on Monday and Tuesday.